Hello and welcome to episode 3. Today we start the rust repair. So I just pulled off this rear arch guard. It's sat just along here, and of course I found a little hole, and I peel back this hole where the paint's come away, and I find more rust. So I'm going to see how far this goes in, because I can't leave this, otherwise the whole back end of the car looks like it's rusting, to be honest with you, which is never good. But here we are. Now I have found all of the rust. The plan is to remove as much of it as possible, and if the metal is still strong and hole free, to seal it.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own. And I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know every day's a new day.
Okay, so that's all of the rusty metal cleaned up. I found a few other spots like in here and a little bit under here, but now I'm going to seal underneath here where I've taken it back, and all along the back, same on the other side.
You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own. And I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag.
Under here also has rust coming through, and this is where the jacking point sits, where you jack the car up. So I need to get all of this away while I'm under here and see how far back it goes.
I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up.
Now, although this bolt won't come loose because it's rusted on, which means that the only way to get it off would be to drill it off, and that's a lot of work to do that and not damage the surrounding bar or anything else. So these bars, although I would have liked to remove them and treated the rust on them, put them back, they still have plenty of structural rigidity in them, so they're still doing their job. So we'll leave these for now. It's about picking and choosing the battles with this car.
We on it. We know what's up.
There was only so much I could do with the rust here, so I took as much away as I could, and then I've just sealed it up. And then underneath I did find a little bit more, so again, same, it's all just sealed up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over everywhere I've sealed with some more underbody sealer, and because it's in a spray form, it should get to any of the little bits I've missed. So if I, for example, miss this bit right here, it should fill that in and protect it from rusting if any water gets to it.